Alright, today we are doing a 22-23 Obsidian Basketball Hobby Box. I've never done one of these before, so still new to the newer stuff. Looks like rookie jersey autographs, numbered to 99 or less. Look for the ultra rare virtuous and volcanics inserts. Here are the odds. So yeah, there's supposed to be 2 autographs in here, and there's only 7 cards. And this, it was $239 plus tax and shipping from Panini's website. It's a pack. So hopefully I can hit something good out of these. I missed out on the first of the line. They sold out too fast. So we have Damian Lillard. They're a little bit thicker cardstock. So let me set this, set that there. Got my thick card sleeves. But they have a really nice look to them. This is what the back looks like. Here we have Dennis Rodman. And sleeve. Okay, and then I'll pull from the back with Christian Wood. And that is out of 50. Looks like an orange or a bronze. It's really hard to tell on these. And then we have a green Patrick Williams. And these are really good looking cards. That's numbered to 25. I really like this. They have like a really cool looking, it's almost like a glass finish to them. All right, now our autographs. Hopefully. Steve Kerr, Galaxy. It's number 149. That's really cool looking. Our last auto is, let's just flip it over. Dorian Finney-Smith. That's number 275. So, I don't know, it looks cool, but didn't really hit anybody that I like. So we have Jordan. I don't even have, I need to get the thicker. Steve Kerr's only. And Christian Wood. And the Damian Lillard base. Man, I wish I would have got some better autos. The Steve Kerr is alright, but I wish this one was better. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.